Alright.
What if we just don't remember it, then
Yeah.
we can't just like.
Then that's the point though, it's a refresher, so if you don't know, then we're gonna talk about it.
I know that.
Right?
Now I
Okay, well then I don't know the 5
I don't know either.
Alright, so today we're gonna do a lab on activity series of metals. But first we're gonna do a pre-lab as a refresher. So you guys wanna go ahead and work on that together. I'll let you guys do that for a couple minutes and then we'll come back as a class and talk about it. Put it after this question, put it away. The phone goes away. That defeats the purpose of the pre-lab question.
Personality for away, but I don't know what. I know 2 of them. Combination and decomposition. What's the next one?
You don't remember? There are 5.
Okay, combination.
There are 5 different types?
Yes, there are 5 different types of reactions.
This is for, okay, yeah, no, I remember that. I was thinking of something completely different.
Yes, decomposition is one of them. So that if you have a element plus an element, you can get a compound with this reaction. Your A plus B equals A.
I only have 4.
Yes, so that's another one, so that's a compound reaction. And then we have okay, so you have your products are carbon dioxide and water. So there's 3 more. Let's see, if you have a compound and you have an element and then they switch, so then you get a new compound and you get another single element, you have reaction with that. So say you have A, B plus C, and then you will get C plus A. So what kind of reaction is that? You don't remember? Did anyone get all 5 reactions yet?
Yes.
Oh, I got 4.
That didn't use their cell phone?
Oh, no.
No, I used Joey's paper.
Y'all used Joey's paper?
Yeah.
Alright, so what was the first reaction that everybody got?
Combination.
Alright, so what's a combination reaction?
It's when things combine.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Alright, what's the second one?
Decomposition.
Alright, what happens in a decomposition reaction?
Things break up.
Alright,
It's when it's together and then apart.
okay, yeah. So what's the third one?
A single replacement.
What happens in a single replacement
When
reaction?
it just switches one thing.
Yeah, something's replacing something else. Alright, what's the third one?
Double.
A double replacement reaction.
They both switch
What switches?
the little
2 elements.
elements.
Alright, so usually it's the metal, and metal, those are what usually switches is your metals, are the ones that are doing the switching when you have your replacement reactions. And then what's the last one?
Combustion.
Combustion.
Alright, and what's a combustion reaction?
It's in between like only 2 things that I can't remember.
What are the elements?
That's what I mean.
You don't remember? Does anybody remember what happens in a combustion reaction?
Does it have carbon in it?
Yep, so it has carbon in it, and what else?
No, oxygen.
Yes.
Yes, oxygen?
Yes,
Carbon,
oxygen.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
So remember your combustion reactions consist of usually carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens. Then your products is gonna be CO2 and water always. Alright, so then go on to 2. So predict the products and write the chemical equation for iron reacting with copper sulfate.
A little lost on
Alright, so what's your symbol for iron?
Fe.
Alright, and then copper, what's your symbol for copper?
Cu.
And then what is sulfate? That's sulfide.
That's something.
Look on your polyatomic ion.
SO4.
Yes. So it's iron plus your copper sulfate. So then what would the product be for this reaction? First, what kind of reaction is it? Just by looking at it, what kind of reaction does it look like?
Single replacement?
Yes, a single replacement reaction. So then what will your products be if it's single replacement?
Alright, so it's gonna be a single replacement?
Yes. So then what will your products be?
It'll be
Iron.
Cu plus FeSO4.
It's iron
Yes.
sulfate.
Yes, good job. So it becomes copper plus iron sulfate because you already told me it was a single reaction. And your metals can replace other metals. So our iron would replace our copper.
What was the beginning of the reaction again? Was it Fe plus SO4?
Plus CuSO4, your copper sulfate. Alright, so then 3. So based on your activity series, can mercury replace hydrogen in a chemical reaction? So your activity series is in your packet, in your reference packet. So you look on there, and then the rule is for your activity series is if it's above the metal that it's trying to replace, then it can replace it, but if it's below it, it will not replace it. So is your mercury above or below your hydrogen? Oh, your symbol for mercury is Hg, because I think it's a abbreviation.
No.
No, and why not?
Because it's lower.
Yes, so based on activity series, mercury will not replace hydrogen because it's not above it. Alright, so that's what this lab is going to be about, is our metals on our activity series, how active they are based on where they are. So